G'day, welcome to XO2, Australia's favourite cleaning, hygiene and washroom product company. Come on in. My name's Chris, I'm the CEO of XO2.
No, you're not. I am.
Okay, fine. I'm not the CEO, but my brother Dave is. We're no flash-in-the-pan, fly-by-night newbies to the cleaning and hygiene industry. We've been supplying cleaning products to Australian businesses since 1968. It's a family business, and even though Dad doesn't work here anymore, he still hangs around. Right, Dad?
I don't want to be in your video.
Sorry, Dad. So are we Aussie? Yes, we are. We have Aussie products, Aussie facilities, and our team is Aussie through and through. G'day, Tim.
What have you got, Chris?
At XO2, we help you clean better. And oh man, do we love clean. No dingy old warehouses here. We have a state-of-the-art, squeaky clean mega distribution centre packed full of cleaning and hygiene products, and will deliver your orders anywhere in Australia. XO2 helps you make the places where we all work, stay, learn and heal cleaner, safer and healthier. We invent and manufacture infection control and hygiene products, including hand soaps, hand sanitisers, disinfectant wipes, and a bucket load of other cleaning solutions that just about cover anything you could ever imagine. Our 5 specialties are cleaning chemicals, infection control, hand hygiene, washroom products, and cleaning tools and supplies. We've even got toilet paper that's good for your bottom line.
You can't say that.
Sorry, Dad. Our mission is to make you say wow. Come and see why we're Australia's favourite cleaning, hygiene and washroom products.